Hi, I'm Daryl.
And I'm Mindy.
And we're the two
Food
trippers, and we are in Bologna. What brings us to Bologna, Italy?
The food, of course.
Of course, and you know the best part is we're going to be eating at a Cesarine's house tonight.
Tonight in Bologna, and then we're going to learn how to cook with one tomorrow in Florence.
I am extremely excited because, as they say, some of the best food in Italy is cooked at home.
Yay.
Ciao, welcome. Welcome to Bologna.
Well, a 4-4 walk-up.
But worth it for the view.
Look at this, Mindy. I am really excited about this.
Cesarine Diva is really nice. It's going to be a really fun night, I can already tell.
Of course. Well, let's roll on.
I think so.
The menu of this evening is all made of our own. All the things will be typical from local market and from Bologna. Mousse di mozzarella, polentine, is like polenta but fried with squacquerone, is a typical cheese from here. And then tagliatelle ragu, cotolette, fried meat, bolognese style, and a cake with ricotta, cheese, and almond.
Sounds good. Almonds.
Almond.
So we have pork fried with ham and cheese on top. To your health, Mindy.
Very healthy.
Well,
The other food was very good. This course, I love it. Wow. And guess what?
what?
We have wine.
Wine. Cheers.
Salute.
Woo. We're very lucky people.
Only in Italy.
Who knew? We knew.
Yes, I'm having liquid dessert here.
I've chosen solid dessert, Mindy. An almond cake.
This was unbelievable.
It was absolutely amazing. You know, I would think it'd be a great honeymoon dinner. I think it would be,
I think we should do it for every year as a honeymoon.
you know, I think every year of ours is a honeymoon.
Okay.
So, Diva, I want to thank you for an absolutely wonderful meal. It was really fantastic.
Thank you. Thank you to come.
Everything was perfect. Our first Cesarine experience was very good.
I couldn't recommend it any higher, and you should be very proud to be serving such great food in such a great food city. I think we're going to call this night to a close.
Yeah, because we're doing it again tomorrow.
So, see you tomorrow on the train.
To Florence.
Well, Cesarine Day 2, on our way.
To Florence.
Half hour from Bologna to Florence. How easy was that? So looking forward to our second Cesarine nights.
Yes, but tonight we're doing the work because we're cooking.
We'll make 3 recipes. One is nudi, that are ravioli without pasta, ricotta cheese and spinach, and dressed with butter and sage, and parmesan, of course. Then we make tomato and capers beef chops in tomato sauce, but with some chopped capers. Very good. Typical of Florence. Then we make cantuccini biscuit with Vinsanto that we drink together. And we dip the biscuit in the Vinsanto and eat.
Now we start with the roasted almonds.
Yes, roasted almonds.
Yes.
Like a beaten vegetable. There you go. Now it's ready. The dish is ready. It has only to rest. Here you are.
Thank you. Wow.
Mindy, we have this cookie with Vinsanto. Cantuccio. Cantuccio?
Cantuccio, no cantucci.
Ah. Cantucci il Vinsanto. And Vinsanto. Cantucci and Vinsanto. You know, eventually I'll get this right. I think we should try one right now.
You know what I call it?
What?
A biscuit.
We're gonna dip this in. This is it, the official Two Food Trippers taste test.
Moment of truth.
Here we go. Oh, big thumbs up. Big thumbs up over to the chef. Look at this. Peace. World peace here in Toscano, in Firenze. Mindy, what do you think? Directly in butter.
Yes.
So you got the thumbs up from Mindy, we're all good.
Now we do some quenelle and cook easily for a few minutes. It's okay. Now put. Now we turn.
And down it goes. So Mindy, you're starting with Nudi. He's about to give her a review.
Too much spinach.
Very, very good.
Oh no.
So good.
Too much spinach. It's wonderful. What is this dish called one more time?
Bracioline con sugo di pomodoro e capperi.
Well, you know what I call it?
What?
I call it yummy.
This is great. Just a great way to serve meat with like the tomatoes. And the capers put the tomato sauce in a different kind of direction. I really like it. Cecilia, we want to thank you. This was an absolutely wonderful meal. So wonderful to be part of your little world in Firenze.
Thank you, really.
Okay, well.
And I bring you to eat the very best ice cream in Florence now.
Oh, well,
That sounds
we may not be
awesome.
going yet. Okay, well, you know what? Let's go eat the best ice cream in Florence.
I think so.
This is the best ice cream maker in Florence.
Now, what makes it so great?
The whipped cream. The whipped cream of Baroncini is the best all over the world.
Well, we're going to try this.
We've eaten a lot of gelato in Bologna. Let's eat some here in Florence. Ricotta and raspberry.
Which flavors did you get?
Pistachio and Amarino. I love cherry.
I got the special Firenze type cream, and it's a chocolate with biscottini, which is like little mini like wafers. That's amazing. Well, Cecilia, you certainly outdone yourself here. This is the kind of surprise I think you could only get on a night out with a Cesarine. This
I'm
is
so happy.
absolutely fabulous. So, from Firenze, Florence, Italy, I'm Daryl.
And I'm Mindy.
And we're the Two
Food.
Trippers, and this is Cecilia,
Yes.
who is so wonderful to spend our evening with. So, all I have to say is we eat.
We travel.
We eat and travel. All right, everyone. See you from absolutely amazing Firenze.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.